Craving a simple, carnivore-friendly meal? Behold the beauty of simplicity with this 2-ingredient carnivore taco recipe. This dish is not only easy to make but can be whipped up in no time, perfect for those on the go or for a quick dinner fix. Kick things off by heating a skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. Now, introduce the star of the show, the ground beef, to the pan. Use a spatula to break it up, ensuring it gets evenly cooked. As you stir occasionally, the ground beef starts to transform. It browns beautifully and any excess moisture evaporates, leaving you with perfectly cooked meat. The aroma is sure to get your stomach rumbling and your taste buds tingling. Next, it's time to season. A generous sprinkle of salt to taste will enhance the natural flavors of the beef, making it even more delectable. Remember, the beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity. However, feel free to adjust the seasoning according to your taste preferences. And there you have it. Serve the seasoned ground beef in lettuce leaves or simply on a plate as taco shells. This dish is a testament to how something so simple can be so incredibly satisfying. But why stop there? If you're feeling a bit adventurous, consider adding other carnivore-friendly toppings such as bacon bits or cheese if you tolerate dairy. This dish is versatile and can be adapted to suit your palate. In a nutshell, this carnivore taco recipe offers a quick, simple, and satisfying meal using just 2 ingredients. It's perfect for those days when you crave something meaty, but don't have the time or energy to prepare a complex dish. So why not give it a try? The simplicity and speed of this process, along with the delicious result, might just make it a regular feature on your meal plan. Enjoy your meal.